we're about to make some slime.
Make it.
Oh, so this is all the slime ingredients we have. Look about it. Got the big thingies
So sad.
and my friends.
We put this tape on the board.
Nobody's seen it. Like, what is that?
That's sleeping bag, sorry, but hey, I didn't know you want purple.
Of course I do.
Right here.
What is that? What is those purple things for? Oh. Where's my purple thing?
Okay, guys. Hey, guys.
Who left my purple thing? For real, for real.
Oh, stop.
We're
gonna make some red slime, and I'm gonna
be
wacky
her. With this.
I make more slime.
Okay,
than
which
her.
one y'all trying to make? Clear or white?
Clear. I'll make a clear slime.
You want to make clear or white?
Clear.
Okay, we got it.
Ew, lyric.
Want me to open it? Can I open it?
No, then why don't we make white slime? If we're using clay?
Yeah, we're making an operation. Yeah.
Let me
Hey.
open the paint.
Listen, y'all can make y'all can't make a lot, Kennedy.
Can you put me some Kennedy?
Do not use a lot.
Yeah, that's so
And there's white.
It is.
It's just a
You must be blind, Kamaya.
Is this white?
Yes, it.
It's white.
It's tan. It doesn't matter.
It's
Exactly.
okay.
Let me look at this.
This is so exciting.
Don't use this. If you use a clear, use this. If you
Oh,
use a
why I
white,
feel like that? Oh, I'm about to put some
Don't put a lot this color.
Oh my gosh, Lyric.
Oh.
Girl, yeah.
Okay,
This is practice for what we're gonna do tomorrow. I don't want to
Got some of this.
Hey,
This is
show
baby
me
lotion.
too. Okay, focus.
Oh, it's not even open, lyric.
I have to put my shader cream.
Don't put a lot because it has like
I do.
it just
when
messes
they
up.
come over, we can. Oh my gosh. This is, I make slime.
Okay,
make slime with
I'll make a purple. You made too much.
But we gotta make with Kennedy in a long time.
I haven't made
For a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm doing a video. Y'all do a video with you and Lyric, and I'll do a video.
And we're gonna add clay, they're gonna make clay slime. Do not add no more.
I'm not gonna add no more feisty.
So we got our glue, we got white glue, and we got our tie right here.
Do you want me to show y'all? We will all
I need a little bit.
show when we're done. So y'all.
So Kennedy,
Okay, now I just made my slime so beautiful, so nice.
Yours is like mine, but it's like stretchy or something.
Mine's is jiggly.
My
He said mine is sticky.
so I'm about to add some lotion in mine to make it on.
Lyric, you added too much. She added more.
Shaving cream.
No, not the shaving cream, the tie. You added more in mine.
It's not even that rough.
Well, Lyric, when you make that slime, use that tie.
Look at mine.
Booty.
Oh, I put so much lotion and my slime is already soft. It's gonna stick. It's sticky now.
Oh, my sticky.
Look at mine, smell good. Then I'm fine.
Kennedy, yours one looks like this glowing in the dark, but it's
Didn't you just hear me? I just ran.
that slime is stretchy. I can't believe nobody added their clay yet. I'm gonna do it.
I'm finna do
Right
it
now?
Yeah, Kennedy, yours gonna be that ST, but see, that's so cute, Kennedy.
too. I like my color blue.
I'm about to add some more of this
You told the truth. Mine is real sweet.
I told you whatever.
Look.
Yours is better. Lyric, yours is just
I told you, didn't I tell you? Didn't I just tell you that hers was gonna be good? I just told you because no, there's no bad slime. Look at this! Oh my god! And nobody even helped me. My slime is always messy and stuff.
You're a slime master.
Didn't I tell you? And she talking about no. I'm not a slime master.
First of all, I want just me.
mine's so sticky.
Stop
First
coming
of all,
for me.
What you mean? Stop coming for you? Stop coming for me.
Hush.
This was
Oh Lord Jesus, oh Lord. Hey, we're not even making a mess.
Exactly, and that's the good thing.
Come on. Come on.
Mine need to be a butter slime, for real, for real.
Add that clay.
Mine is
No,
really
I want to add the clay all together.
I literally just messed up my slime.
What do you mean?
I want everybody to add it together.
You need to add some lotion.
I've been adding.
Oh,
I've been adding.
Look.
Literally get the swirl. Oh,
exactly. Yours is so good.
yeah, literally. You need lotion. Come on.